In this video, I'm going to talk to you about something called Google's Drive File Stream. Before I talk to you about that, just going to quickly look at what's called File Explorer. This is usually where you would go to find all the files that are saved on your desktop or laptop. Since most of you use a desktop every day, I'm just going to use the word desktop instead of saying both. So this is where you find all the files on your desktop, and they are only available there. If you want to use these files at home, you can't do it. So if you're doing sub-planning or lesson planning at home, you can't find any of these files. Also, hard drive space on your desktop is limited by the district. So Google Drive File Stream is going to be a way that you can store lots of things on your desktop without really storing it on your desktop or taking up that hard drive space. So what you're going to need to do first is to come down to the Windows icon, click that, and it's going to bring up all the things that are available on your computer. And you would want to click on Drive File Stream. If that isn't there, get in touch with me and we'll have that pushed out to your computer. You'll click this, it will prompt you to sign into your Google account. You'll have to do the two-factor authentication step, and then you will see, once you're signed in, a little icon down here that says Drive File Stream, and it will start to sync all of the items from your Google Drive into File Explorer. You can see that I've already done this. Google Drive File Stream is located right there. My Drive and shared drives show up in my desktop File Explorer. I've also gone in and right-clicked on My Drive and pinned it to the Quick Access section of File Explorer so that when I come in here, I save one click. I don't have to open Google Drive File Stream and then open My Drive. I can just click once on My Drive and it shows all the folders that are on my Google Drive. And if we go here, you can see all of my Google folders are the same as the ones that are available in my File Explorer on my computer. I can access these files at home. Anywhere I've got the internet, these files are available to me. However, besides saving space on your hard drive of your computer, there are other reasons why you'd want to have Google Drive File Stream. Let's say that there's a file you want to grab off of the internet, like an image that you're going to use in a slide presentation or something with one of your lessons. And when I want to save this, there's nothing on here that says save to my Google Drive, which is where I want it. We have Save Image As. However, since I've got Drive File Stream on my computer, I can click My Drive, and then I can find the location where I want to keep it. And then we'll click Save. And you can see that it does a typical download activity. And it looks like it's gone on to my computer like lots of other things that I've downloaded, but it actually goes to my Drive File Stream, which syncs directly to my Google Drive. And now if I go into that folder where I saved it on my computer, you can see that even though it looked like I saved it on my computer, the image of the puppies is here on my Google Drive. One reason to have Google Drive File Stream is to save hard drive space on your computer. A second reason is for situations where when saving things from the internet, you want to save it to your Google Drive without having to save it to your desktop and then open up Drive and upload it to a specific folder. The third reason you would want to have this is for situations where the only option you have for uploading items is for bringing them in from your computer. So let's say I want to add a banner image to this Google form. I'll click on Customize Theme and choose Image. Well, I've got this great image of puppies on my Google Drive, but that's not one of my options. So if I click Upload, you can see it doesn't have anything to bring things in from Google Drive. So I'm going to click Browse, and it's going to open my File Explorer. And you can see my puppy image is right here. I'll double click that. And it's, for some reason, not showing the image, but it's there, I promise. If I click Done, it's going to bring this in, and you'll see the banner image showing up. So you can see I've got a really nice image of puppies that I was able to bring in from my desktop Google Drive file stream, but those things were really synced to my Google Drive on the cloud. Another great benefit of this is if you've got a personal laptop that you use at home, you can go through the same process to add Drive file stream to that, so that if you're at home working on stuff and you save some things and you save it to Drive file stream on your home device while you're signed in to your valleyview.org account, when you get to school and open up your Valley View account, those items will also show up in your Google Drive. Hopefully this has given you all the information you need about why you're going to want to have Drive file stream on your computer and get this installed today.